Hello viewers, welcome to yet another unboxing video. Today I am with this white color envelope. I received this envelope on 17th of August 2020. This was sent by Karan Loona of Rithu Hobby Tech from Chennai, India. He has pasted Indian commemorative stamps behind this envelope. Let's unbox this envelope and see the currencies coming out of this. This was the nicely packed package received by me from Karan of Chennai. As usual, he has posted the Indian commemorative stamps nicely onto the envelope. Come on, let's unbox this envelope. The first is a set from Myanmar, present-day Burma, and the currency set were issued as by the Japanese for the Japanese portion of the country they occupied from the year 1942 to 1944. These currencies have a common design of landscape of Ananda temple at Pagan, present day Myanmar, and on the reverse are denomination with change in color. The first one is 100 Japanese rupees. The second one is a 10 Japanese rupees and the third one is a 5 Japanese rupees. The second one is a predominantly blue color currency, polymer edition of $5 of Canada. On the obverse is the portrait of Sir Wilfrid Laurier, who was a Canadian lawyer, statesman and a politician who served as the 7th Prime Minister of Canada from 1896 to 1911. And on the reverse is Canada.On 2, a multifunction robotic arm, and Dextre, a Special Purpose Dexterous Manipulator, shortly known as SPDM. Also, an astronaut in space can be seen. The third one is a predominantly violet color currency, polymer edition of $10 of Canada. On the obverse is the portrait of Sir John A. Macdonald, who was the first Prime Minister of Canada, serving from 1867 to 1873 and again from 1878 to 1891. The dominant figure of a Canadian Confederation, he had a political career that spanned almost a half century. And on the reverse is the Canadian or Le Canadian train, which is a transcontinental passenger train from Montreal to Vancouver. The landscape can be seen with the mountain. The fourth one is a predominantly multicolor polymer edition of 200 Sri Lankan rupees, which is a commemorative edition depicting the 50th anniversary of independence from 1948 to 1998. On the obverse is a temple along with the things happening in Sri Lanka, and on the reverse is a temple of tooth in Kandy. The fifth one is a 5 Sri Lankan rupees issued in the year 1969. On the obverse is the portrait in stone of a King Parakarama, and on the reverse is a lion throne of a King Nisan Kamala, the audience hall of Polunarava. The sixth one is 1,000 francs of Burundi issued in the year 2015. On the obverse is a bird, coat of arms, Burundi flag, cattle, and on the reverse is an outline of a country, Burundi, with banana trees on it. The seventh one is a 10,000 rupiah of Indonesia issued in the year 2016. On the obverse is the portrait of Francis Kasapuyo, who was a Papuan politician and an Indonesian nationalist. He served as the 4th governor of Papua province and is a national hero in Indonesia. And on the reverse is Watakobi National Park, a marine national park in southeast Sulawesi, Indonesia. Tari Pakarina dancer can be seen in the front. The 8th one is a 200 vatu of vanuatu, issued in the year 2014. On the obverse is a portrait of a Melanesian chief and on the reverse is a family. The 9th one is an odd denominated currency of 25 rupees of Mauritius, polymer edition. On the obverse is the portrait of Sir Molin Jean Aha Chuen, who was a Sino-Mauritian politician and a businessman from Mauritius. And on the reverse is a fisherman, Rodriguez Island. The 10th one is a currency set of Thailand with a portrait of King Maha Vajiralongkorn. The first one is a 50 Thai baht, which is a sky blue color currency with the portrait of King Rama 10th Maha Vajiralongkorn on the obverse, and on the reverse is King Rama 3rd Maha Bodun and Rama 4th Mongkut. The second one is a 20 Thai baht. This is a green color currency with a portrait of King Rama 10th Maha Vajiralongkorn on the obverse, and on the reverse is King Rama 1st. The third one is a 100 baht, which is a pink color currency with the portrait of King Rama 10th Maha Vajiralongkorn on the obverse, and on the reverse is King Rama 4th Vajiralongkorn and Rama the 5th Vajrayuddha. The 11th one is 5000 ruphias of Indonesia. On the obverse is the portrait of Tunakau Imam Bonjol, who is one of the most popular leaders of the Padri movement in central Sumatra and is a national hero of Indonesia. And on the reverse is a weaver weaving a cloth. The 12th one is a 2 thala of Saoma, a country in Oceanic. On the obverse is the portrait of a head state Tumamafili II, Parliament building or the Pono house, and on the reverse is a family. The 13th one is a 1 ringgit or a dollar of Brunei. On the obverse is the portrait of Sultan Hassan al-Bakha the first and Bunga Simpur flower, and on the reverse is Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque. The 14th one is a 1 kyat of Burma, issued in the year 1958 by Union Bank of Burma. On the obverse is the portrait of General Aung San, and on the reverse is a sailing boat. The 5th one is a 1 kyat of Burma, issued in the year 1965 by the People's Bank of Burma, and on the obverse is the portrait of General Aung San, and on the reverse is a fisherman. The 16th one is a 500 reals of Cambodia. On the obverse is the temple at Angkor, Naga headstone, and on the reverse is a bridge over Mekong River at Kampong Cham. The 17th one is a $1 of Zimbabwe. On the obverse is a Chiramba balancing rock formation, and on the reverse is Victoria Falls with buffalo. The 18th one is a 100 dong of Vietnam, issued in the year 1991. On the obverse is a coat of arms, and on the reverse is temple pagoda. The 19th one is a 100 dong of Vietnam, issued in the year 1987. On the obverse is the portrait of Ho Chi Minh, and on the reverse is a tractor. That's all about this unboxing video. Thank you for watching.
To know more about these coins and currencies, please visit our website at www.vanuatu.com. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please mention the next interesting video that you want to see in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.